Hey, hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe at homes. So after the last video that I posted, I got a lot of messages from students and freshers who were looking for opportunities and current companies that are hiring and have open positions. So they were asking me about how to know which company is hiring when and when to apply. And so recently I found a lot of these openings that I came across and decided to make a small video just for a small update so that you are aware and you can apply to all these companies. Make sure to apply to as many of these as possible because these are all open vacant positions right now and these are all actively hiring, but I'm not exactly sure for how long these positions will remain open. So do not postpone this for later and apply as soon as you can. Make sure you do watch the video till the end because I'll be talking about every single opportunity, the company, its role, the positions, and the eligible branches, the graduates. I'll talk about everything, how you can apply, and I'll share all the links in the description box down below. You can go ahead and have a look. And I would request you people to share this video with as many of your friends, juniors, colleagues as you can, as this may help someone get an opportunity during these trying times of COVID. So yeah, let's move on to the companies one by one. And just before I go to that, one small update. I have this channel where I have a playlist which you can see where I solve coding interview questions. So these questions are generally asked by all these top tech companies, and you can go through these ones if you want. I explain all the tough solutions very easily, so this will definitely help you. And yeah, let's quickly move on to the openings and about the companies one by one. Okay, so the first open position that we have is at McAfee, which is one of the top tech companies. You already know their products. It develops antivirus products for computer systems. The role is for a technical intern. Job location is at Bangalore. This was posted on the 28th. This is the job ID. And then you can go ahead and read this, the overview about the company. What they require is programming experience in C++ or Java, and this is for a developer position. Then these are some benefits. You can go through them. For students, this is an internship at Bangalore location. You can click this button to apply. And this is a really good company. Do not miss this. A very good open position. And also this position is open to all the students pursuing BE, BTech or MCA in any computer related field with a CGPA of 7 and above. So if you're eligible, make sure you go ahead and apply. All right, so the next open position that we have is for Goldman Sachs, another very big investment banking firm. The location is in Bangalore, and then this is a full-time opportunity. So this is not for students who are currently in college. This is for only graduates, and role is for a software engineer, associate level at Bangalore. And you can go through this, read this. Basically, you will be working on Java and then NoSQL databases along with MongoDB, Elasticsearch, RDBMS, so mostly database related thing. And the qualifications require ask you to have a bachelor's degree in computer science and some familiarity with RESTful web APIs. So yeah, this is the link. You can go ahead and apply, fill the form, upload your resume, and the link to this will be down in the description box below. Do not miss this. Moving on to the next opening, which is at Uber, another great tech company to work for and pays a lot. The opening is for data engineer level 2 at Bangalore. And you can go through this, read this, link will be in the description box. Basically, you will be required to have some knowledge on Spark, Kafka, and SQL databases, and then API calls, the usual things. This is again not for freshers or people who are currently in college. This is for people who have experience because the position is for a senior level. And you can click this button, go ahead, fill the form, and apply. Okay, so the next opening, it's not exactly an opening, but it's sort of an ideathon or a hackathon, which is being held by Myntra. And this is only for female candidates, so be aware of that. Hurry up for this application, it's closing very soon. So there will be 3 or 4 phases to this ideathon. The idea, the implementation part, pre-finale and grand finale. And then you can go through this, read all this information about how to apply. Team members can be from 1 to 3. And the eligibility is for BTech, BE, MTech, dual degree, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, all years are eligible. So no issues about that, but only female candidates. So make sure of that. Also, they have like these prizes for the winner, second and third positions, and then some participation certificate, which is nonsense. And then there will also be PPI opportunities, which is a pre-placement interview. So if you are amongst, if you make it to the pre-finale, then you'll be given a chance to interview directly for the role of a software engineer as well. So this is also a very good opportunity for people currently in institutes. So do make sure you apply to this as well. All right, moving on. The next opening is at HackerEarth, which is a coding practicing platform you all must already be aware of. So the opening is for a full stack problem setter intern. So this is for college students and internship opportunity at Bangalore, and the job basically involves creating some full stack projects and tests. So your knowledge should be about Spring Boot, HTML, CSS, JS, then SQL, Angular, React, the basic front end, and familiarity with REST APIs as well as Git. So all these version control systems you must be aware of. So this is an internship opportunity. Click this button to apply. Fill your form, and yeah, do not miss this. All right, so the next one is for Amazon, and this one is not for a software developer role. This is for a cloud support associate, and this is at Karnataka, Bangalore. Then you can go ahead, read the description. So the qualifications required are 0 to 1 years in Linux, Windows system, database design, then bachelor's degree is fine in one of these branches, computer science related or electrical, IT, all these branches, or MCA as well. Then you have some requirements for experience in Java, Perl, Ruby, PHP. And don't worry about these requirements. These are not very hard and fast. You don't really have to be aware of all these. You can just go ahead and apply, and if your resume matches, they'll give you a assessment link or something. So make sure you apply, and the link to application is here. Go ahead, click this, and yeah. All right, moving on to the next opening, which is for JP Morgan and Chase. Role is for a software engineer at Bangalore, and this is a full-time role, as you can see. And the location they have mentioned, and also the last date to apply is 20th March. So make sure you are applying as soon as possible. Your degree is any bachelor's degree, and then you should have knowledge in basically programming languages and databases, all of that. So this is the link. You can click this and go ahead and apply. Link to this will be in the description box below. Okay, so the next one in our list is the opening at Google, and I don't think I need to tell you much about this company. So the role is for a software engineer and for university graduate. So basically, even if you are graduating in 21, so you can apply. So people who are graduating in 21 are eligible for this. Qualifications are any bachelor's degree, BTech, BE, anything will work. Experience should be with Windows, Mac OS, Unix systems, and then machine learning, TCP/IP, internet networking protocols, then C, C++, Java, Python. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can go through these responsibilities. The locations are basically Google is flexible with locations. So Bangalore, Hyderabad, everything is fine. Click this button to apply, upload your resume, fill the form, and make sure you do not miss this opportunity. This is for freshers as well. Okay, next one is at Deloitte, and this one is a off-campus hiring that is currently going on. This is for the role of analyst, not a software engineering role. Job location will be at Hyderabad, and then go through these points. The qualifications are bachelor's in technology, BE, BTech, anything will work. Whichever branch, all branches are eligible. You don't need to be in computer science or IT for this one. And these are some skills. Go through these. Hit this button to apply, upload your resume, and yeah, moving on to the next one. All right, so the next opening in our list is at Dell, and the role is for a software engineer 2, IT. Job location is at Bangalore. This has been posted very recently. You can go through this link and read everything once before applying. They have some responsibilities and some requirements mentioned here. You should basically be aware of Python, Java, and databases, all that. So yeah, to apply, you can just click on this button and fill the form, and that's pretty much it. Moving on to the next one. Okay, moving on to the next one, which is at Paytm, another great company to work at. The role is for a designing intern, not for a software development profile. Job locations are Noida as well as Bangalore. Both are fine. This is an internship only, a part-time, not a full-time position. Duration for this will be 8 weeks to 16 weeks, which is like 2 to 4 months, anything in between. You can read through this, and basically for anyone who's interested in designing roles or that domain, go ahead and apply to this for an internship. A very good opportunity for you. Hit this button to apply for this role. Link will be in the description below. All right, so the next opening is at Cisco, another great company. Role will be for a software engineer in any of these different units, and this is an internship only, not a full-time position. Location will be at Bangalore. For a software engineer, you can read through this. Qualifications, basically you need to be in your final year or pre-final year, graduating in 21 or 22, minimum of 8.5 CGPA, and then these branches are fine. Also, if you're not aware, for Cisco, they always hire for different business units. So your designation will be the same for a software engineer, but then your team can be either the networking team or like application management or embedded systems, and that they decide later on the basis of your interview performances and what your interests are. So you can be put into any one of these, but make sure you do apply for the role of an internship at Cisco. Hit this button to apply, and link will be in the description box below. Okay, so the next opening in this list is for Texas Instruments. If you're not aware, this is one of the biggest companies in the domain of semiconductor designing and manufacturing. So if you're into that domain, definitely consider this and apply to this open position. The role will be for a software engineer, and the requirements are basically bachelor's degree in electrical, ECE, EEE, computer science, or any computer related field. Your minimum CGPA should be 3 to 4. You can convert this to 10 if that suits you. And basically C and C++ programming skills are required, as well as your knowledge of assembly level programming, because you'll probably be dealing a lot with semiconductor designing and their manufacturing. So yeah, do give this a try. And the job location they have not mentioned anywhere, but I'm pretty sure this is for Bangalore. So if you're interested, hit this button and apply for this job. Okay, so the next one is for LinkedIn, and this one is not a job opportunity. This is basically a coaching program where it's kind of a mentorship thing. And make sure this is only valid for female candidates again. Male candidates are not allowed for this one as well. So you can read through this. This is like a mentoring program by people who are already in the field and who have some experience working in engineering domain. So this is a pretty useful opportunity for female students who are from engineering colleges to network with senior engineers and people who are in the industry since very long. Also, you will be prepared for your interviews as well as presentation skills during this event. And there's an opportunity to interview with LinkedIn as well for their summer internship in 2022. So all the female students who are graduating during that time should definitely consider applying for this. This is kind of a program structure. Basically, you'll be mentored by top senior engineers at LinkedIn, and you'll get a chance to connect with women tech leaders from LinkedIn as well, and some interview preparation as well. So go ahead and apply for this if you want. And finally, the last opportunity that I have for you guys right now is for this company called McKinsey, which is another great place to work at. This is for an internship opportunity for 6 months. The job location will be at Bangalore, and the eligibility criteria for this one is basically if you are currently in third year pursuing BE or BTech, any bachelor's degree, any branches, all branches are eligible, and go through this once before applying. And basically, they have mentioned what you'll be doing as part of your internships. This is also in the field of technology, if I didn't mention that before. And yeah, go ahead, apply to this using this button. Link will also be in the description below. You can go through that. All right, so that brings us to the end of the current opportunities for this week. And if you like these kind of videos, if you think they are helpful and want me to make more of these, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you are preparing for these interviews, so most of these are technical roles and will require some data structures, algorithms, knowledge to clear their interviews. So you can go ahead and check that link out. So it's basically a playlist that I've created for all the coding interview questions that I keep on solving. It's definitely going to be a very helpful resource to help you prepare for these kind of internship and full-time interviews. Also, you can go to my channel and click on playlist to again get the full playlist here itself. And also there's another video. This will also help you in how to use LeetCode more efficiently in order to prepare for your interviews. And one small tip is to just go ahead and apply to as many of these positions as you can. Do not for a second think that I won't be able to clear the interview round, or I probably won't be eligible for this role, or I'm not qualifying all the requirements that they have mentioned. You just need to apply and leave the rest to them. If you are supposed to get a reply back from them, you will, but make sure you apply to as many positions and as fast as you can. Also, do share this video with all your contacts, your juniors, and people who are looking for roles currently in these trying times. This is really going to be helpful for them to apply to these companies. If you have any doubts or concerns with regards to how to apply for these roles and how to fill the forms, do put them down on the comment box below and I'll reply to all of those. If this helped you, do hit the like button. And if you find such videos to be helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more such updates about job opportunities and vacancies or open roles. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you very soon in the next one.